we go. What did you get from Secret Santa?
From JoJo. What's in here? What is in here? Oh, what is this? Oh, fairy tale songs. Belle and Tangled, Rapunzel and Ariel and Cinderella and Tiana. They sing all their songs. It's all on here. Okay. Here's the second one. Let's see. Let's get this started here. JoJo did a good job of wrapping. So here, I'll help a little.
Yeah, step on it. Step on it, Mom.
Oh, look at Fish School. Fish School. Oh, look, every time you open the a flap, it's, look at, there's 2 fish, then 3 fish, and they're all lit up. That is an awesome book. Little School of Fish. Cool. Okay, one more gift. Okay. Alright, let's see what's in this one. Oh. Oh, Puppy's first farmyard friends. Oh, neat. See what happens when you turn the page? Oh, all of his friends at the farmyard. Very cool. You say, thank you, JoJo. Thank you, JoJo. Good job.
Did he say thank you?
Thanks, JoJo. Okay. Can you just take